Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a brand new Mini T conversion on a low mileage white 22 Ford Transit Connect. Mini T conversion always consists of solar, over-the-air antenna, 10-speed reversible max air fan, dual house batteries, 2000 watt inverter, shore power plug, hitch. Inside you find a microwave that can be ran even if you're not plugged in, sink, refrigerator, bed that measures 43 by 72 inches, quickly folds up into a couch, TV DVD player, limo tinted windows in the back for privacy, also comes with a cloth front curtain and also reflective window curtains. Now it's in the couch position. Underneath the bed you find the foldable portable toilet, 2 underbed storage totes, and also your stove. It also comes with magnetic screens. Check out the full details on our website, dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089. Happy camping!